Welcome back, everybody. Good Monday evening to you all. We had a couple little showers and a thunderstorm or two around the Helena area earlier today. Things have since cleared out and calmed down. 82 degrees, nice warm summer afternoon with a west wind up to about 10 miles per hour. In Great Falls, we've got 80 degrees right now, and look at all that blue sky out there. Current readings around the state in the 70s and the 80s here, a little cooler out in pockets of eastern Montana where we've got some good thunderstorms that are currently moving through. Wind speeds, not too bad, but near some of the thunderstorms again, we've had some really strong winds in excess of 30-40 miles per hour. You can see the severe thunderstorms, all the boxes in eastern Montana, and then there's that still a severe thunderstorm warning right over the Little Rockies right now. There you can see the severe thunderstorm in that yellow box, but still a bunch of mean thunderstorms capable of producing some large hail and some damaging wind up here in the northeast part of the state. This area was part of a severe thunderstorm warning moving away from St. Marie in the Glasgow area. Nice little thunderstorm up there around Whitewater, Malta, maybe a few drops out there. But here's the severe thunderstorm right around Lodgepole and Hayes and Zortman. Of course, this area 3 years ago we burned. We had the July wildfire there, so watch out. Could be some debris flow potentially with some heavy rain right over that burn scar area. And Lewistown, just to the southwest of town, we've got a nice little thunderstorm that is firing. Again, Helena, Great Falls, mainly clear. We did have a thunderstorm earlier in the day across the south end of Canyon Ferry Lake, which was hit multiple times over the course of the holiday weekend. And still some thunderstorms, southeastern part of the country up into the northeast here, and some monsoon moisture moving up into New Mexico and Colorado. We need more of that monsoon moisture down there because they're looking at a pretty bad drought and some pretty bad wildfires. But here's what will happen for Montana. Any of the storms still lingering here should be out of the state by the time we get into about 11 o'clock here tonight. Through the overnight hours, very quiet, no storms like we had a few storms come through last night. But tomorrow, talk about rough early morning hours up around the Flathead Valley with some thunderstorms coming through, and that's a cold front that will be pushing through by about 1, 2 o'clock around Helena and Great Falls. That's when the thunderstorms will likely pop, pushing into Lewistown and Havre by about 4 or 5 o'clock. And look at that nasty line of some thunderstorms as it works its way up through the northeast part of the state. So where we've got severe weather right now, could be looking at severe thunderstorms again up here in the northeast part of the state. That moves out as we go into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Kind of see all that moisture up off towards the north into southern Canada here. That's a low pressure. That'll be spinning to our north, and that will create some pretty good westerly winds across the state with some cooler temperatures. And we may get a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms up along the Canadian border and the High Line through Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. For tonight, though, Browning, I think you're done with the shower. Don't worry about that. But looking at clearing conditions here for a lot of the state. Lows not as cool as the last few nights, in the 50s to about 60 degrees, and mostly clear skies around the Helena area. And the forecast for tomorrow, with this front going through, look for strong to severe thunderstorms, especially up in the north central, northeast part of the state here. High temperatures a little cooler the farther west you go, but nonetheless, a little stormy day for tomorrow. Make sure you tune in because right around this time tomorrow, 24 hours from now, we'll have some big thunderstorms pushing through. Wednesday, the lows off towards the north. We've got mostly sunny skies and a pretty nice day with temperatures in the 70s and the lower 80s. Thursday, this is about as good as it gets. Mostly sunny skies, a warm day, 70s to about the lower 80s, and then into Friday, another fast-moving cold front will likely come through, kicking off a few scattered thunderstorms here. So for Helena, for the next 3 days, don't worry, we got a 7-day forecast. It's just part of the new graphics, but some storms likely tomorrow. Late morning through the early afternoon. Wednesday, highs in the 70s and a windy day up into the lower 80s on Thursday. Friday, some thunderstorms. How about the weekend? One of the warmest weekends we've seen so far this year with temperatures up into the 90s. And for Great Falls, we'll have thunderstorms likely across the area late morning into the afternoon. Wednesday, a blustery and cooler day. Highs only 74, strong wind. Thursday, mostly sunny. Some storms on Friday. And how about that weekend? Temperatures up into the 90s. Watch out for the fire danger on Sunday with the wind increasing.
Thanks a lot for that, Curtis.